Right. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the AND statement in Excel. And typically it's a function that you use together with the if statement, for example. And you use it if you have multiple conditions that have to be satisfied simultaneously or together. Right, so in this case, we want to determine whether or not these students have passed school. And in order to pass, they have to score two of these criteria, which is first to score greater than or equals to 70, and to attend for their attendance score to be greater than or equals to 70 also. So we can use the if statement this way. So press equals and type in if, and here we type in and first, and then we type in the logical statements. So our first logical statement is the first condition, right? So the score must be greater than or equals to 70. So let's select our score and type in the following. Our score must be greater than or equals to 70. Okay, so that's our first logical statement. And our second logical statement is the attendance, right? So our attendance must be greater than or equals to 70. So again, we select our attendance here, which is a bit blocked by the formula, but again, select that part. And our attendance must be greater than or equals to 70, like this. So those are our two criteria, and so with that, we can close our AND statement. And so let's fill in the remaining parts of our if statement here. And so here is the value of true. So meaning if both of these criteria are satisfied, or if both of these criteria are true, then what happens? Well, we know that the student will pass, right? So let's type in pass. However, the value of false is what happens if these criteria here are not met or they're false. This means that our student has failed. So let's type in fail like this. Okay, so we can just close our bracket and press enter. And so let's just copy down the formula here, Control C, Control V, and we get the following. So Alice has passed because look, she scored above at least 70 or above for a score, same for attendance. Now Bob here, he scored a 60 for his score, but he did score an 80 for his attendance. But the thing is, he has to score both above 70 or 70 to pass, right? And that means he still fails because he fails in the score part. Now, Charlie's the same case, right? So his attendance is very high, which is above passing for that criteria. However, his score is below 70, which means he failed. Now, David here scored exactly what he needed to score to pass. So he scored a 75 for the score, and for his attendance, he scored a 70, which means that he still passed the school. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.